We're here at FedEx and we're picking up a special package from Nick from Fifth Element. Special guest Miguel here, who ordered some parts as well. What's up, bro? You excited?
I'm excited to get my Fifth Element stuff.
Dude, me too. I know you got this and I can't wait to get mine, man.
Me too.
All right.
My dream is coming true.
Yeah. Hopefully it fits inside the Element. We got it all emptied out in here. So we'll find out in just a moment. They should be bringing it out here.
Let's see if the Fifth Element shipping box with all the Fifth Element goodies is gonna fit the Element.
Sick, bro.
Yeah.
You did it.
Yep, we did it.
All right, boys and girls, we are unboxing the Fifth Element cabinet system. We just picked it up from FedEx. I'm surprised at how well it fits inside of the Element, and I think Nick did that on purpose so that it'll fit in the Element and you can take it with you if you decide to order one. So let's open it up and check it out, dude. Boom. It's a perfect fit. So we got a bunch of goodies. I got the passenger side cabinet, I got the driver's side cabinet, I got the center console, and the new side door cabinet as well. So I'm super pumped. What did you pick up?
I pick up a passenger side cabinet and a center console.
Sick, dude. So let's unbox this thing, man, and let's check it out. Oh. All right, bro, you want to do the honors?
Yep.
Professional unboxer. Miguel Lindo.
Yeah, with a time limit, so
Ooh. Is that yours?
yeah, that's mine because I went to Nick's
Oh, I see.
and he shipped this for me.
All right.
You know, I think we put all the trash here,
Yeah.
you know?
So Nick informed us that he just used a bunch of random cardboard because it's a bunch of random pieces. So it normally would look a little nicer being packaged, but thank you, Nick, for keeping our parts safe here. We appreciate you, bro. Ooh.
Ooh. You ordered a door panel too?
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Isn't
That was
sick?
like a last minute, right?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Super cool, right?
Yep. Oh, here.
Okay.
You know, we can
Look at that.
open these to like put it on the floor, you know?
Yeah.
This trace,
Trace.
this is yours. Oh, cool. You got this one. I see why you got this one because,
Yeah, it's a prototype.
yeah. No, because yours is the older model.
Yeah. So these are the passenger trays, which go in the side doors. And I really liked these when I was using them in North Carolina. Like whenever you want to just eat some food.
Yep. This is mine, so I'm gonna put it there.
It's perfect. What you got in here? This is the door side.
Okay.
Let's check it out. I don't know how to
That
install
looks
this.
really nice. Yeah, that one we need to use the tool.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will have to do that for you if you like.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but like. Driver cab base.
Okay. Driver
I
cabinet
think that's gonna
base.
be for you for your
Yeah.
driver
Yeah, yeah.
cabinet. Yeah. And then what else? Oh, I didn't know this one was like this. Look at the thickness of this. It's really cool. Like it's solid, you know.
Yeah. Oh wow. Let me take
Yeah,
a
I thought it was just like one layer, but
show up again.
yeah, I didn't know this one was like this thick, which
Yeah.
I think is really cool.
Is this the which one is this?
That one should be the
Passenger?
No, that's the driver's side.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this is solid, and I think the why it's like that is because these pieces put together.
Yeah.
So like if anything breaks, you can always replace just the piece that you need, which
Yeah.
I think is pretty cool.
I agree.
I'm not sure what is this. Wanna check it out, Steven?
Yeah.
Man, I feel like a kid in Christmas.
That's for sure. Hold on, let me.
Let me put this out of your way.
Yeah. Big shout out to Nick for getting everything set up to us. Do you have that knife?
Yes.
Try to be cool like Miguel here.
There it is. Oh, cool.
Oh, that's probably the
Center console.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
Oh, this is the passenger base, I think.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That's the passenger base, yeah.
Miguel.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Can I have the blanket?
Yes,
put
you
it in
may.
the blanket.
This is the center console,
Okay.
I believe.
Yeah, I'm gonna install mine later.
Yeah.
I need to bring my other car. Thank you. So that's yours.
Yep.
Oh, actually, I'm sorry. This is the
That's the passenger one,
Yeah.
right?
but it's pretty much as thick as the other one.
Just try not to drop this thing here.
Yeah.
Don't want to do that. Dude, I was going to try to like make my own.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad I didn't because it's just you can't beat the
Yeah,
quality.
you cannot
of-
beat the quality, and also people don't notice all the time that is involved to do this.
Yeah, and all the like.
Plus, you know, high quality, and you're supporting local businesses, which I think is the best thing.
Yeah, that's for sure. Like, look at this thing's a work of art, dude.
Yeah, it's really solid. Does it say a name on that one? Cool.
I guess they're the same.
Yeah, it looks like it could
Yeah.
be just the same.
Yeah. Must be the passenger side.
That's for you.
Yeah. Passenger side bottom, the
Mhm.
base.
And that's yours for sure. You don't have to open it because the
Yeah.
other one has my name.
Yeah, I'll take this
Yep.
one.
Unless, yeah, we already showed it to people too.
I'm gonna install the drivers real quick.
Okay. You
Because-
want me to help you or record you while you're doing
Yeah,
that?
if you don't mind.
Okay. Let's do a game plan. You know what I think we should do first? Let's throw this trash,
Yep.
and then maybe we can use this box to put your stuff there.
Okay.
That way we have a space to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's toss the trash. I'm gonna keep the blanket too.
So heavy.
Oh God.
Yeah, bro. I'm happy for us.
That's crazy, bro.
We got the good stuff, you know. Now your element costs $5,000 more.
I know. I'd probably sell it for a lot. So we're gonna install the drivers cabinet and the center console right now. But Nick sent all the tools, which is freaking awesome. So thank
It
you,
is.
Nick. He thought of everything, man.
Yeah.
It fits in the element perfectly.
Yeah.
Like he really thought of everything.
I wanted to put. Okay, it's alright. You wanna put that one here?
Yeah, just for now,
Okay.
because I want to work on the driver's cabinet.
And I think Nick made this cabinet so it's a one-person installation.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna
Do you
hop
have
in
the
there
bracket? Oh yeah, you do it right.
real quick. So, just before I install it in there, this is the driver's cabinet. It's freaking beautiful. I am excited. Dude, that is so crazy. It just
Yeah.
fits perfectly.
You don't have to like hammer or
What
like
the heck?
it's like meant to be.
That's
That's
crazy.
crazy.
How?
And this thing is solid too. man.
Yeah.
Hold that. Yes, and then you
Yeah.
put it. Okay, let me go out then.
Okay.
You just let me know. All I'm gonna do is hold.
Yeah. I don't want any extra
Okay.
help, you know?
All right, bro.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
I'm gonna. Can you bring?
You wanna try to put yourself first, or
Yeah,
then you let
yeah,
me
yeah.
know when?
Okay, one person job.
Say it again.
It's a one person job. Let's see.
I'm
That's
gonna close this just so
Yeah. Okay. Well, that.
So what I can do is just hold it here,
Yeah.
and then you just open this door, and then
This is
do
crazy.
the
It just
latches.
it slides in so perfect.
Maybe do the right side first.
Yeah.
That way you can hold it with.
Dude, this is so nice. Now, huh? 6-speed, khaki,
Yeah,
double swivel, fifth element.
you're getting all the goodies.
It's crazy. I think I need smaller hands. There you go. Okay.
There you go.
Yep. Wow. I can't believe it, dude. That's so easy. Wow. That's incredible. Shout out to Nick, man. Even a dummy like me can do it. Wow. See, it's pardon the mess, you guys, but so we're gonna install the center console now. It's gonna drop in there. Got all the tools we need inside the box,
Have
but
to remove
we're not gonna show you the installation process. We're just gonna show you the after. So I didn't know about that secret compartment.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Right.
Because and then those two magnets, man, they hold really good.
Magnets.
The magnets that hold
Secret door.
the secret door is really nice. Like,
Oh.
you gotta really pull into that.
I didn't even know that was there.
Yeah. Now you're gonna be super organized, bro.
I better be. You're holding me accountable.
Now there is no like
No excuse.
no excuse for you.
I've been getting better.
Oh yeah, for sure. But with this, organization must be 100%.
Yeah. No excuse.
Look, bro, I found you a Mexican coin.
In Mexico?
It says euro. It's 20 euros, bro.
Euros?
Yeah, euros. 20 euros.
Damn, I'm rich. Look at that.
Looks beautiful. Hello.
Dang.
Now you're gonna put this one?
I'm thinking. I'm thinking yes, because I have to fix the blue one,
Yeah, it's better.
you know? So then I'm going to be driving around in this one until I fix the blue one.
Yeah, you
So-
can camping on this one.
Yeah, might as well. Whoa.
Ciao, bro.
It's so crazy how well it fits. So crazy.
Get up. What's up, bro?
Dude, I'm stoked. Thank you, Nick.
And you got the whole shebang too, because you got a
I-
center console.
Double swivels and the passenger side, the driver's side door.
The
They haven't
mid door.
They haven't seen that, huh?
No, that one is over here.
Yeah.
Love it. Mm-hmm.
Is that shaking? It's shaking a little bit.
Yeah. You need to like push and then you adjust more
Yeah.
towards the.
Yeah.
So
You
there
good?
you go. Yep. That's gonna.
There you go. Let go.
Okay. That's better for sure.
Yeah.
I can tell right away from the angle here.
Nice. Crazy, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. There it is, guys. We got the driver, the passenger, the center console, and I guess we'll do the door a different time, yeah? What do you think, Miguel?
I really like the quality of it.
Dude, the khaki's finally coming together. So yeah, again, huge shout out to Nick. If you guys want to get a Fifth Element camping system for yourself, it can't be beat. Everything is made perfectly for the Element. Even the shipping box fits perfectly in the Element. So huge shout out to Nick. If you guys want to get it for yourself, I'll leave the links down below in the description. And then also, if you want to support this channel, please be sure to like, please be sure to subscribe, and check out our channel memberships where you can get exclusive access to members only videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.